Hi everyone. This is a 1-year-old Toyota GRS. The owner of this one is work from abroad. He just messaged me and he want to do modification. So this is his first build. We'll start with the horn. I suggest him using the discontinued model Mitsuba Arena 3. And also, I changed the fog lamp to yellow. I will do a sound check. This is really brighter compared to the stock. And he wants also to install ARB recovery point. We installed both left and right side. And also, very basic at the back, three-piece rail guard, high power reverse LED, and of course, HKS full exhaust system, rear side, carbon tip. We also have available in side step. This is plug and play. And for this, the unit, on this unit, we're using the leveling kit on the front, and the client chooses the race ZE40X in BT color, wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires with black chrome center cap. And lastly, the client requests ceramic coating on the body, and also we done ceramic coating also all the grill, the plastic parts, the step board, and also the wheels. We ceramic coating it. So here's the finished product. As you can see, deep gloss shine, easy to clean. And the plastic of the bumper is more darker black after apply the coating. See the stands. It's not level. The front is still drop, as you can see. And perfect. Out, look to the front. Simplicity is the best, guys. If you're interested with how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Enjoy your long Holy Week weekend. Bye!